With intense competition from Chinese car makers in Europe, Volkswagen Group is looking for effective solution. Decision makers of the company have shown keen interest in the Kylaq. The SUV has sporty vibes, comprehensive features, could be positioned as one of the most affordable options in European markets. They already proved their worth in the Indian market. Launched in January 2025, it has a sale of around 50,000 units so far. It's a top-selling Skoda model, contributing 60% to its monthly sales. Kylaq is amongst the top 10 sellers of sub 4 meter variants in India. With decent success in India and other positive aspects, Kylaq is being considered as an option for the European market. It has a starting price of 7.6 lakh rupees, which is 6,800 euros. In comparison, Skoda's most accessible option in Europe, Fabia, is priced at around 20,000 euros or 22.6 lakhs. With Indian-made Kylaq exported to Europe, they can price it well under 20,000 euros. As of now, Kylaq is only available in the Indian market. It's based on Volkswagen cost-efficient MQB-A0 architecture, especially designed to rival options from Tata, Maruti, Hyundai, Kia, and Mahindra. Kylaq could be introduced in Europe with the necessary upgrades needed for the market. It will take on rivals such as MG ZS, Leap Motor T03, BYD Dolphin, Alto 2, and Chery Omada. Other rivals include Dacia Duster, Citroen C3, A-Cross, Fiat Grande Panda. Since Kylaq was designed for the Indian market, it cannot be exported to Europe. It will have to undergo relevant changes to comply with European standards for emission and safety. Especially challenging will be the CAFE norms in Europe. Car makers can offset CO2 emission from the petrol cars against sales of clean energy vehicles. If the CAFE norms are not met, car makers in Europe would face massive fines. Kylaq is powered by a 1.0 liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine. It is an effective engine, still produces CO2. Skoda will have to offset some of the emission against the sales of its hybrid or zero emission models such as Enyaq or Elro. If Kylaq starts to soar, sales of the hybrid will have to catch up. Safety packages will have to be upgraded. While Kylaq has 5-star rating in Bharat NCAP rating, the safety testing procedures are different from Euro NCAP. Specific ADAS features such as autonomous and emergency braking, lane keep assist and driver drowsiness monitoring are part of European safety norms. It is interesting to see how Kylaq will evolve to secure its entry into the European market. As India-made Kylaq enters Europe will give a major boost for the government Make in India initiative. It will demonstrate how locally developed products are capable of meeting global regulation and competing in advanced international market. Maruti Suzuki has already begun selling India-made e-Vitara to Europe, and if Skoda follows a similar path, it will open the door for more India-built model for global OEMs in the future.